Hi, Kevin, Wilson Master Locksmith, with a tip about how to get a good locksmith to your home without being scammed. What I want to encourage you to do is to challenge the locksmith to show you his credentials, his police permit badge, maybe his association membership. In my case, I have them posted on the wall inside of my truck. But you should have a locksmith on your premises that can prove that he is licensed, bonded, and certified in some kind of training to be able to perform the task that you've asked him to do. Now, if you've forgotten to ask him this on the phone, make sure that you, if he doesn't already display it when he arrives, such as the police ID permit that in my county is required by the county police, even though there's no law requiring licensing of locksmiths in Georgia, there should be something on his person identifying him as a trained professional locksmith. One of their favorite excuses is that, oh, my company handles that, or I left it at the office, or you'll have to call my boss to get his Associated Locksmiths of America bonding number or whatever. No, that just doesn't hold water, because each locksmith or each technician on site is required to have his own proof of membership and or licensing or registration or ID of some type by his county or state.